Okay, there we go.
Worcester sauce, Worcestershire sauce, something sauce.
Okay, got some fresh milk. Oh yay. Mac and cheese, yay. Got the sucker open. Yes. You know how long they want the lobster? Yes. I most wanted it.
Another one, I don't mind. I don't know if this is water or juice. Can't tell.
Okay, another water. So I honestly have no idea where you put lobster, freezer or fridge. But just to be on the safe side, freezer. Fish, mac and cheese, frozen, freezer. Overnight oats, leftover, oh Jesus, leftover pizza, the Worcester sauce, barbecue sauce, I'm not sure what this is, water bottle, and milk. They're gonna do Fritz.
Pizza. Okay. And it comes out nice. I'm not sure what this is.
I guess those are probably boneless wings. Not a lollipop. Another. More pizza. Get into, oh yay! I wanted the lamb chops, so I got the lamb. And this one kind of fat. Why is it so oh yay! Yay! Alright. Okay. I wanted this one. Nice. Okay, I don't know what's in here. You know what? I'll make this in another video. What is this? A recorder? Record player? More overnight oats. I want the jello. I want the eggs. I want the jello. I want the chicken. I already have broth. Oh, okay. Pretzel dog. Great. Listen, how much juice or water one person can drink? I don't want any more of that. Okay. Yay, meal. Nice. All right. I did not get. Hey, 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 hey. Okay. I got this one. Yeah. I wanted the fruit tray. I got lamb chops, I got fish, I got lobster, so I got all three of these. I want those. And what's over here? Oh, I want the IHOP and the birthday cake and the chicken and the eggs. I got the ice. Okay. And I want the jello. Yeah, that's about it. All right, next time.